I'll be showing you how you can create posts like this, like Reels videos, like limited Reels videos by autopilot. So you don't need to publish any one of them, it will be published autopilot. Okay, so this video will be using N8N as a platform for the automation, and of course we'll be using Blotato. So Blotato is basically a platform that allows us to post videos via all the social media platforms. So it's basically provide us with an API that we can use to publish the videos. So we don't need to be integrated into the API complexity of Meta, for example, or for TikTok. So we'll be using it so we can like have access to the endpoint so we can publish the videos easily. So I'll put the link in the description if you want to use Blotato. So it's one of the best platform that I see in this niche. Okay, so the first thing we need to do after we log in is we connect our social media platforms. So you can connect to like Twitter or X, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, and whatever. Okay, so in my case, I connected Facebook and YouTube and Instagram pages. Also, you can connect Pinterest and TikTok. So in this video, we use like Digital League Studio. So this the page that we're using in this example. And yeah, here we post a lot of videos. It's motivational videos or like whatever. We can have a list of videos like 100 or 200 video, and we can post them like autopilot. So before get started, we should have access to like Google Drive file. Okay, so it should contain videos. It's whatever, like 100, 200 videos or whatever. So I'll put in the description like a file that will contain over 1000 real video that you can post automatically. Okay, so I will provide you in the description and you can use it, and of course I will put in the description all the things that you might need, like the N8N workflow and the git how you can get started. And yeah, here's the N8N part. So this is the workflow. So I will dive you like step by step how this workflow work and how you can use it. So I'll put it in the description so you don't need to rebuild this all over again. And I will show you step by step how you can use it. So the first thing we have the manual trigger. Okay, so it's already clear. And then we have this sheet. So this is this node. So this is a Google Drive node. So after you connect your credentials, it's quite simple. Okay, or you can check YouTube videos like how to connect your credentials. So all this shouldn't be changed. It should be the same. We're using the search operation. Okay, and then we search for a file or a folder. Okay, so after that we choose the drive that we're working on. Okay, and then we'll put the link of the drive. So basically the link of the drive is this one. So we just copy this drive link like this, and then we add it here. Okay, so it's quite simple. We just add the link. Okay, so I'm using another link. Yeah, so you can use the link. So as I told you, I will give you a link for over 1000 video, like real video that you can use in a different niche. Okay, so just after that we have a loop. Okay, so we will loop over all the items. So first let's just see what's the response that we got from this. So we click test step. Okay, and then we got like 100 items. Okay, so I'll just pin this so we can use it. Okay, so after that we will just loop like one by one. Okay, so this step. Okay, so here we have the first item. So, and then we use the edit field node. So in this field will help us to get the video URL. Okay, so we're using this link, and then we're using the ID expression so we can get the downloadable link for this video. So after clicking test step, we will have the link of the video. So this link will allow us to upload the video, like the video to Blotato platform, and then we can post it. Okay, so right after that we're using OpenAI model. So this OpenAI model will just create us like a nice caption for the video. So the good thing is we can customize all this. Okay, so it's up to the video type that we'll be using. And yes, you can, so it can be creating personalized caption for each video, so it's not gonna look like a spam or anything. Okay, so just after that, we're using this to upload the video. Okay, so in this node will be like assigning the platform IDs from Blotato. So in my case, I'm using Instagram. Okay, so to get that, you just need to go to Blotato. Okay, and then you'll just copy the ID. Okay, so just copy this one, and yeah, I can just add it up here. Okay, so just add this one. Okay, and then we can test step to see that like everything is successful. Okay, so it's good. Now we have the IDs that of course we can like use, like you can put all the IDs if you like, but in my case I'm just using Instagram. Okay, so you can, this, all this is already configured. Okay, so you don't need to worry about it. You'll just need to activate it. Okay, so you just need to activate it and you can use it. It's already set up. In my case, I'm using just Instagram. So just after that, we upload the video. Okay, so we're using Blotato, and of course you will need to configure your API key stuff. So I will show you how you can do it. Okay, so if you go to Blotato, and then you will have the API key, you just click to copy the API key, and then you'll just need to add it here. Okay, so you just need to add it up here, and yeah, everything will be set up. Okay, so then we'll just put the URL and the value, so the video can be uploaded by Blotato. Okay, and just after that we have this node for post on Instagram. Okay, so it's basically already configured. So the thing that you need to add is your API key up here. Okay, and then here's the body for this request. Okay, so for this body we have the account ID, so it's the Instagram account ID, and then the target, we're targeting Instagram, and here we'll put the text. Okay, so it's the caption of the video, and yeah, the URL video just up here. So let's just like test this step. Okay, so I'm just posting a random video, but in your case you can check the drive that I will give you, and you can choose the right or the good video that you will use. So basically I think each 100 video have a special type. Okay, so now the video been posted successfully. Okay, and let's just say how does it really look like. Okay, let's just refresh this page. I think I should upload this again. So yeah, it's been posted around 14 seconds. So yeah, this is the video. It's like a personalized caption with a good hashtags that can help you grow. And the good part is you can literally upload whatever, hundreds of videos. Okay, so it will take around hours to upload 100 video. Okay, so yes, this is will be looping over and over again over all the items. Okay, so it's basically you just need to put like the URL for the drive here, and yeah, you can have everything set up, everything ready to go. So if you check the description, I will put the link to all the things. So the first thing is the Blotato platform. Okay, so you need to create an account there and use it. So you just need to have to connect your social media platforms, and you can get the ID of each platform that you have. And of course you need to connect the API key. And yeah, so also I'll put in the description the link for the drive, so you can have like the over 1,000 reel that you can use. And yeah, you can do this with the multiple pages. Okay, so you don't need to do just for one page. You can create page for fitness videos, and another one you can create it for motivational videos, and one for e-commerce stuff or something. Okay, so it depends on you. the good part is the videos is with no copyrights. Okay, so you can use them for free, and yeah, you can really make a lot of money from this. So I hope you liked the video, and if you do, please uh, subscribe and yeah, like the video. And of course, if you want to reach me out, I will put the link of my website in the description if you want to work with me or whatever. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.